Hi, if you're viewing this video, you've probably purchased my game party invitation template. Thanks for your purchase. If you've not ordered but would like to, I'll add the link to my shop. One of the great things about this template is it's easily editable in Canva, regardless of your membership level, even if it's the free one. In this video, I'll show you how to use this template and add your personal details to make the invitation all your own. I'd love to know what you think of the invitation design and template, so please hit the like and subscribe so you can be alerted when I add new videos. So let's get started. So once you place your order, you'll receive an automatic file dropped into your Etsy. Go ahead and click the link on the bottom of the file. The page will open up, and Canva will ask you if you'd like to start designing your own file. So go ahead, open that up in Canva, and you'll see that you get 2 pages. The second page is just for the Scrabble tiles. The first page is the invitation. So I've held the place for a name using the name Lauren, but you can go ahead and delete that and then select the letters for your name. In this case, we'll use the name Jennifer, as I think it's a good example for using the space and for making duplicates of letters. So select all the letters in the name Jennifer, never minding the duplicates. I hit copy and I group the letters in order to be able to move them all in one piece to the first page. Now that they're all on the first page, we can ungroup them, and then we can start putting the letters in order. So you'll notice, because the letter N is there twice, once I move one into place, I copy it, and I just move the duplicate into place. I recommend moving things, getting all your duplicates, and then resizing once all the letters are on the page. So we'll duplicate the E, drag the R into place. And now I'll select all the letters in the name. To do this, select one tile, hold down the Shift key as you select all the others. And now drag from the corner to resize them all at one time so they're all the same size. A little fine tuning. And now that they're all pretty much where I want them, I'll group them again. And now I'll position them so that they're centered. That line down the middle tells me that I'm still moving down the center. I'm just moving up and down. So now you can tweak the text to say what you want. You can add an age, you can change the gender, you can change the wording altogether. You can pretty much make any of these text boxes say what you want. I tried to leave a little bit of space so that you can rearrange if you need to add an additional line. In the case of this one, I also have a line for an RSVP. Many people don't use this, so you can delete it, or you can just change that line to say anything you want, like bring your own game, or lunch will be provided, or anything you want. If you want to add a line, you can always add your own text. But I think it's easier if, instead of adding all fresh text, you just copy text that's there so that it picks up all the same formatting. By formatting, I mean size of the font style, the color. So I usually just copy and change the text, and then I'll move it into place once I have my text situated. You can move things up or down. If you do need to make any text any smaller, if you want to make everything smaller, I suggest selecting all the elements you want to resize by selecting one, holding down the Shift key as you select all the additionals, and resize them all at once to make sure that all the text kind of stays uniform throughout. Once you're ready, you can go ahead and share to yourself. So I usually recommend using a JPEG and changing the quality to high quality, because if you're going to print, you want it to be a high quality print. And make sure that you download just the one page. You don't need the second page. And now that you're all set with your type, you can also use a ping, but JPEG I think is highly recommended, most widely used. Now that it's saved, you can go ahead and open the file. And now that that's on your computer, you can upload it to your favorite printing website like a Vista or a Shutterfly, or send it to a drugstore for printing, print it yourself. But there's the file that you'll use for your invitation. You can even email this out or send it by text if you want to send it digitally. And that's your final file. So thanks for visiting. Good luck. Let me know how you got on in the comments below. Thanks. Bye.